We have all been sold a lie. The lie is that you need to hustle, grind, and sacrifice every single penny until you turn 65. They tell you that retirement is an age. But what if I told you that retirement is not an age? It's a math problem. There is a specific mathematical moment in your financial journey where your money officially starts working harder than you do. A moment where even if you stop saving another dime today, you would still retire rich. This is called the crossover point. And once you hit it, the game of money changes forever. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact numbers to hit this point, how to calculate your freedom date, and why you might be able to stop saving years earlier than you think. Welcome to Earn More, Save More. Let's crunch the numbers. Most people think investing is linear. You put money in, it grows a little. You put more in, it grows a little more. But that's not how wealth is built. Wealth is exponential. The crossover point is the exact moment when the annual returns from your portfolio exceed the amount of money you contribute each year. Simply put, it's the day your investments become the breadwinner of your financial house. Let's use a concrete example. Imagine you are a diligent saver, investing $20,000 a year into the S&P 500 with an average return of 7%. In the beginning, you are the engine. You put in $20,000 and maybe you earn $1,400 in interest. That $1,400 is nice, but it's not changing your life. You are doing 95% of the heavy lifting. This is the grind phase. It feels slow. It feels like nothing is happening. But stay with me, because the math is about to flip. Let us break down the journey to your first $1 million to see exactly when the magic happens. Stage 1. The first 100K. Charlie Munger famously said, "The first 100K is a bitch." And he was right. At 100K invested, a 7% return gives you $7,000 a year. Now you might be thinking, okay, that's cool math, but when can I actually quit my job? Let's run 3 scenarios. This is going to blow your mind. Again, assuming you invest $20,000 a year. Scenario A, you grind until you hit 100K, and then you stop investing completely. You never add another penny. To get to $1 million, you would have to wait roughly 35 years for compounding to do the work. Verdict? Too slow. You stop too early. Scenario B, you push through to that magic 300K number, then you stop. To hit $1 million, compounding now only needs about 18 years. If you hit 300K by age 40, you're a millionaire by 58 without lifting a finger. Scenario C, the power move. You don't stop until 500K. If you stop contributing here, compounding will take you to $1 million in just 11 years. Think about that. You could stop saving at 45, spend 100% of your paycheck on travel, cars, and life, and still wake up a millionaire at 56. This proves that you don't need to save forever. You just need to save aggressively until you hit critical mass. This strategy has a name. It's called Coast Fire. Coast Fire is when you have enough invested that you never need to contribute to your retirement again. Your nest egg will grow to your target number automatically by the time you reach retirement age. Why is this powerful? Because it gives you permission to slow down today. Once you hit your coast number, say, that 300K or 500K mark, you don't have to stay in that high-stress job just to max out your 401K. You can take a pay cut. You can work part-time. You can start that business you've always wanted. You aren't retiring yet, but you are retiring from the stress of saving. So, stop looking at age 65 as the finish line. Look at your portfolio. Find your crossover point. Is it $300,000? Is it $500,000? Whatever that number is, make that your only goal. Sprint to that number. Be aggressive, because once you hit it, you regain control of your most valuable asset, your time. If you want to master your money and reach that crossover point faster, make sure to subscribe to Earn More, Save More. We post premium financial strategies every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.